Hi, Florida. How are you?
I'm okay, and you?
I'm good. I'm good as well. Thank you very much. So we are here today because actually last month in October you hit target twice on your funded trader program account, and now you are managing $30,000, correct?
Yes.
Very good. Very good. Tell us a little bit about yourself. How long have you been trading for? Are you a full-time trader, part-time? Tell us your story.
Actually, since 2010, I've been a trader since 2010. I've
Mhm.
worked with so many brokers here in South Africa and overseas. I've worked a lot with markets.com. I've been an introducing broker, introducing people to trading, and
Mhm.
also I've been trading. I've trained a lot of people in trading. I've run a trading school most of the time. I'm also a trader as well. So I've done a lot of things, even accounts management, like managing funds for other people when the PEM account, like PEM account and MEM account, I used to manage those funds before as well. So I've been a trader for almost 15 years
That's
now.
very good. It's a long career in trading.
Yes.
Okay. Is this the first? This is not the first account you have with us, right? You have been with us for quite some time.
Yes, I think in 2021 I did have an account, but it was during that time when there was a monthly fee.
Yeah.
So I could not trade properly during that time. So I left my account for some time and then I just came back again. I think I came back 4 months ago or three
Hmm.
months ago to start again with Audacity Capital.
I see. I see. And how do you find the new program? Because, we had some upgrades from the old version of the Funded Trader program to the new one. Not only the monthly fee, but there was also, more assets that you can trade, and there is no limitations on the lot size. How are you finding the new version of it?
Yo, I'm so happy actually because I think even the first account, what discouraged me was that I could not trade indexes. I could not trade
Mm,
Nasdaq, Dow Jones, and others because those are the things I specialize in when I'm
I
trading.
see.
So I'm very happy now that there's indexes, there's so many options to trade from. Before it
That's
was only currencies, it was so challenging.
I see, I understand. So now at the moment you are focusing more on indices on this account?
But now it's much better.
Okay. Tell us a little bit the strategy that you use.
Yeah, my trading strategy.
Yeah,
I'm a day trader. I'm a scalper. I can trade 24/7 if I'd love to. Because I'm a scalper, I believe in collecting profits as they come. I don't like long trades most of the times.
I see. I see, I see. And do
Yes,
you
yes.
use any indicators to trade or, market structure, price action? How do you decide when and how to enter in the market?
I normally work with the fundamentals. I normally look at the news for the day mostly because I go with the trend of the day.
Hmm.
I normally check the market because the market changes on a daily basis. The market has got its own pattern per day. So the most important thing is to check at the pattern because the pattern is influenced by the fundamentals and the sentimentals for the day.
Hmm.
Since I'm a day trader, I'm a scalper, so I specialize mostly in checking the news, the fundamental news, the breaking news, and the sentimental. That is where I specialize in because I know that if I wake up in the morning, I see an up and down pattern, then I would know that okay, there were mixed news today. But yeah, so my trading strategy my trading strategy is like looking at the fundamental news on a daily basis. I check what news we have today,
Hmm.
especially for US market, UK market, and other markets as well, because I know that Nasdaq and Dow Jones are influenced by the news that come from US and other countries where America is associated
Hmm.
with when it comes to economy and things like that. So those are the indicators I use for me to take decisions on the market.
I see, I see. So purely fundamental analysis. Do you also do some sort of like, trend line, perhaps look at the structure of the market, or just plain fundamental?
Yes, I also do look at the trend direction. I use indicators like Bollinger Bands and the
Hmm.
averages as well. So those are the indicators I love using most of the times if I have to go technical, because also it's important to check the technicality of
Hmm.
the market as well, because there are times whereby the market is at a break even or somewhere, let's say the daily bar is almost triggering somewhere. So you must be very careful during that time, because if it's close to a trigger, it will
Hmm.
just go down. And then even if it's news or no news, but technically, if it's approaching a certain level, you need to come out of the market if you are buying. And they say the daily bar has been trying to go down for some time and it's reaching a certain level. So you must check that level and also make sure the right decisions are to take, either you're buying or selling. So it depends. Also, it's important also to do technical analysis, because we might have the news, the fundamentals, but
Hmm.
technically the market might be taking another direction because it was triggered by the news. So that is how I take those decisions as well in the market.
I see, I see. So you said earlier that you have also been training some new, you have your students that people you teach how to trade. What is the most challenging thing that you need to teach your students, in your opinion?
The most challenging thing is discipline, the standard lots,
Hmm.
and the patience in the market.
I see.
Because if we rush a lot, then at the end of the day, so I love prop firms like Audacity Capital, because they really teach us discipline.
Yeah, that's
Because
true.
under normal circumstances, when we're trading our own accounts, sometimes we're lacking those discipline. That is why most of the time people, they lose money, they lose accounts, because of someone is greedy and someone is lacking discipline, and they use a lot of standard lot and there's no consistency in what they're doing.
Hmm.
But they, yeah, so Audacity is teaching us how to be a trader, a proper trader. You don't have to rush anything.
So you were saying discipline and patience is the most difficult thing to teach to some
Yes, to practice
newcomers.
as a trader. But I think because most of the times many traders, they trade small money and they trade for their bills.
Yeah, that's true. That's true, 100%.
So that is why most of the times as traders, because what is killing many traders is a lack of funds,
Mm.
a lack of funds for trading. So many traders will trade small money and they try to raise that money quickly, and they end up making mistakes and lacking discipline as well, because they are trading for bills and things like that. But with a prop firm, at least they give you more money, and then you can make those percentages on time, and then you don't have to rush against time. The money that you'll be making will be enough for you to keep on scaling up until you get to that level that you need to get to as a trader.
True, 100%. Well said. I couldn't agree more, to be completely honest with you. This is also what we keep telling our traders as well. And this is also the reason why Audacity Capital was launched back in the days in the first place, to allocate traders with the capital they need to be profitable and to remain profitable in the market. Because we know as traders that if you approach the market with little capital, one way or another, unfortunately, in
Oh.
most cases, the capital is going to go 100%. How are
Mhm.
you finding the new dashboard?
It is very wonderful because it's automated. I can do my withdrawals, I can do things like that. So it's very beautiful. And it also tells me I did blow two accounts on Audacity Capital, two
Hmm.
accounts of 7.5 so far. When I was starting, I think because of I was not aware of the rules and the
Hmm.
drawdown. So I was still learning the rules of the drawdown. I was not aware of the daily drawdown and the maximum drawdown. So I lost almost those two accounts. I lost them
Ah,
because I, I could not understand that rule.
I
until
see.
I blew out those accounts. That is when I understood, okay, per day I must not lose, I must not have a loss of 5%, and then the overall drawdown must not be more than 10%. So it did teach me for me to blow those accounts out.
That's good. Well, then you started again as soon as you understood properly the rule, you hit one target after the other, and now you are on the third account on the $30,000. So I think the rule was actually well understood.
Yes, I've actually made four withdrawals. I think I've made four withdrawals,
Hmm.
two 7.5 withdrawals, and
Yeah,
one. A,
50.
I've actually reached another target because I've got another account that I'm trading now.
Hmm.
I've actually reached the target now. I'm just short with the consistency score for me to
Ah,
go
okay.
to
So
the next level.
you need to keep trading for a few more days.
Yes, yes.
I
So
see.
yeah, it's very great, man. It's very great. These prop firms, Audacity Capital must just keep on going stronger and stronger
Thank you very
in
much.
helping us.
Thank you. Thank you very much, Florida. Thank you for sharing your stories with our audience, with our traders. I'm sure that they will find your words, especially what you said about patience, very, very, very helpful. So thank you very much. And once again, best of luck on your account. And I guess I will see you soon on the $60,000 account then.
Thank you so much. I'm getting there. I'm getting there.
Slowly, slowly. Thank you, Florida. Have a good day.
Slowly and
Bye.
surely. Thank you so much. Bye.